Thank you for purchasing the Prompt Set Pool. The video is only intended to help illustrate the major steps. Always refer to the owner's manual for important safety rules and detailed assembly instructions. This is important to review this video and the written instructions completely before you begin the assembling process. Please retain this DVD and the written owner's manual for future reference. Look for a smooth, solid, and level ground to support the weight of the pool. Remove all sticks, stones, sharp objects, or other foreign objects. Select an area which is solid, flat, extremely level, and capable of supporting the weight of the pool. The first step in assembly is to ensure that you have all the necessary parts, as shown on Parts Reference page of the owner's manual. Please contact your local dealer or our after-sales service center if any part is missing or damaged. Please unfold and place the ground cloth, if included, on your selected area. Unfold and place the pool with the hose connections towards the area you wish to place the filter pump. Please inflate the top ring with hand pump, not included, electrical pump, not included, until it gets 90% filled. Make sure that the outer drain plug is inserted into the outer drain cap and screwed on tightly. Plug the connection holes with the enclosed plugs. Fill the pool with water. Use soft rubber hoses to avoid damaging the pool. When the water level reaches 1 inch, 2 to 3 centimeters, please flatten and remove the wrinkles at the base of the pool. It is advisable to monitor the pool periodically during the filling process. Continue to fill it with water until it reaches 80% of the height of the pool. Uptake the filter pump and the manual. Before connecting the filter pump to the pool, put the rings on both ends of the hoses. Connect the hose to the inlet, upper port of the pump. Tighten the hose clamp on. Connect the other end of the hose to the lower hose head, outlet of the pool. Tighten the hose clamp on. Connect the second hose from the outlet, lower port of the pump, to the higher hose head inlet of the pool. Tighten the hose clamp on. Gently release the top knob switch in a counterclockwise direction, and then close it quickly when the water shows up. This bleeds air out of the pump. Connect your pump to the electric outlet. Now you can have fun in the pool. Gently sweep the surface of the pool with the skimmer net, removing floating leaves, etc. Engage in a regular cleaning regimen, using the cleaning brush to remove dirt and other fine particles from your pool. Attach your garden hose to the hose adapter. Remove the drain plug cap. Attach and tighten the hose adapter to the drain outlet. Put the other side of the garden hose near the sewer. Now it's ready for draining. After draining the water, please dry the pool off with a soft cloth. Fold the pool for future use. When using the pool, follow these 3 rules. Always make sure that at least one responsible adult is supervising all children and those who do not know how to swim at all times. Never swim or bathe in the pool alone. Never permit diving or jumping into the pool. Open the pool cover and place on top of the pool. Make sure that the top ring is completely covered. Tighten it with strings to avoid it being blown away by the wind. If you have any question about using our products, please visit our website www.jilong.com or contact our local after-sales service center or call your nearest hotline listed in the owner's manual.